Is theft ever a crime of necessity? Attorney Koehler says, yes, there is a necessity defense, and it applies to a lot of different crimes in Utah. It's technically possible that you could have a necessity defense, but it would be really difficult to prove that stealing something was a necessity. What you think about is kind of the classic story where somebody steals a loaf of bread to feed their family. If that were to happen, and if that were to be the case, then what you would end up with as a consequence is you would probably be more likely to be able to work out something with a prosecutor to where it would be a plea of obedience or a diversion or something like that. It would not be charged wrongly or taken to trial or anything. If it was really a sad story, or it's a story where something is absolutely necessary for some strange reason. There is a necessity defense in Utah, and it is technically possible that you could have a defense for theft. That being said, it's hard to imagine how that would really work in practicality. A better example of a necessity defense would be, let's say you and your friends are sitting around drinking, and all of a sudden your friend has a heart attack. You don't have any way to contact the police or the 911 or something like that, so you take your friend and drive him to the hospital, and you're intoxicated. That would be a pretty good necessity defense there. You're not going to let your friend die just because you're intoxicated. You have to take him to the hospital. Those are usually the kinds of cases that you see with a necessity defense. It is a fairly rare defense, but it is out there. For a free phone consultation, contact Attorney Koehler in Salt Lake City, Utah at 801-441-2013 or visit his website at www.saltlakeduidefense.com.